Hi, let me introduce you to the IoT Factory Software Platform. There are actually three main applications inside the platform. The first one is Asset Manager. This is the main application that you will use on a day-to-day basis. That's where you have the management of your devices, but also assets, a map, and of course dashboards and reports. Then we have a second application called Advanced Configuration, where you have all the tools, all the advanced features of the platform for data processing, for rules that would generate alerts, distribution list, sites management, SVG files, agents to collect different data. And the third application is Account Manager, where actually you can manage all your users, but also user access rights, user groups, and also settings. Settings is the first thing you will do is once you want to connect devices to the platform, you need to define how those data will be transferred, whether you use LoRaWAN or you use Sigfox or you use MQTT co-op. That's basically through those specific interfaces that you will define the connection. Once the connection is done, you can come back to the Asset Manager application and go to your devices. So at the device level, once you have activated a device in your network, it will appear usually with like this one with a type row. And actually what you have to do is to define how we will decode the data, and the device type is actually the way to decode data, and you can choose within the list of existing decoding, choose your device type, save it, and as soon as you will receive new data, they will be decoded according to the documentation.